I hear the bass out here, so I hear you.
Yeah, well, hopefully that's the problem. They said I had an oil leak. I did my oil change, it leaked out. I went back up there to get it checked. It said I was right on the half a court. He filled it back up.
He probably get you tight with that. That's probably 1 minute fix. Mm-hmm. That's a win though, bro. If that's the only thing, that little piece, that was like an evap thing right there. What was that? Yeah.
It's way over.
Oh yeah, you got plenty of oil. Yeah. You need to take some of that out of there, but it's clean. You checked it when they filled it up? It wasn't over when they checked it, when they filled it up?
I was right.
That's what I'm saying. If you don't see nothing right now, though.
Go hard, go home. Man, got my boy KG behind the camera though.
I was on Marketplace and seen a Tesla truck. It was crazy though, because people are trying to get their hands on them things right now, and they already got them for sale on Marketplace. I don't know if that's bad for the truck or good for Marketplace. For real, man. What y'all think? Is it good for Marketplace or is it good for the truck? I don't know, or if it's bad for the truck. We gotta figure that out. I don't know. Gotta figure it out. Pull over here, man, see what's going on the block. Mimosa. Just feel like one of them days, man. Ain't nobody outside, man. You know what I'm saying? They need to be out here, though. Y'all see the flowers blooming, man. It's different out here in Texas right now. Beautiful out here, too, though. Beautiful. Out here in the 4-1. Whole dresser out here in the street, man. What's going on? Move, swerve that obstacle, keep it moving. You feel me? And all this long green grass. You feel me? That's that springtime for sure. Nobody outside. What's good with it? I'm finna spin the block. Yeah, they over there doing something. Pull over there. See what's going on. Finna pull right here. This right here, Wisconsin, New York. Gonna swing the block. Gonna get you over there to Mimosa Drive. I'll pull up, see what's going on. I'm gonna pull over. Yeah, he just bought him a car. It's tax time, everybody getting new whips. What's going on, boss man? And park right here real quick. Gonna get the whip checked out. Some old reps, black joints. Sound like a misfire. All the doors open, all the windows roll down. Good morning, bro. Oh yeah, you're super clean. Super clean. Yeah, that's nothing though. A little purple power or something. Get that right up out of there.
One dude said it could be my rear main seal gas.
It's leaking on the motor or leaking on the ground? Either that or the oil that was old caked up the leak. But you said you just got an oil change.
Yeah. He just filled it back. I got an oil change like a week ago. I went back up there about 4 days later. It was damn near on E.
Oh.
The last time it leaked all damn near all that within 2 days.
Right, and you put it in there to make sure that it don't leak out. But it's still, you got plenty, and I don't.
got way over it.
He's right. He told me to keep making sure. And
So you started putting more oil in there.
I just put 1 quart in there.
It sounds like your power steering. But I hear it whining though when you turn it though. It could be low, but oh.
That noise right there is the power steering, but that noise is the power steering making a turn.
You talking about like the hiccup sound and noise, right?
And that noise right there?
Oh yeah, no. I can hear it now. I didn't hear it at first. But you do got something going with your power steering though, but I don't know if that's a leak. I don't know what that noise is. It was making it when you bought it?
And then sitting there, it drove perfect with no noise, no none of that shit. I know I need these changed, but other than that, it drove perfect with no noise and nothing. It just started making that shit kind of like a week or two after.
I do know, like, you know what I'm saying, around this time they do what they can to put a car in position to get off the lot.
Yeah.
So they could have put thick oil or something in it, and you done flushed it out and put what was supposed to be in there. Mm-hmm. And that's probably why you got that noise. Could be, I ain't sure.
So what I need to go get?
Maybe some Lucas, that might be the
Like an oil treatment or something. Can you still hear it when you hit the gas? I ain't hear it either.
What I need?
This got an oil pressure sensor on it. Do this car got one of them?
Yeah, but see, that's what it could be right here, the cancer tube.
That's what it is doing.
It's like a distributor. You know, like on the old Chevys?
Mm-hmm.
Right under this wire, there's a pan. And it goes. See right there?
It's running rough. This what it's been doing? Or is it because he moving something?
Just started on like, what is that?
I'm saying it's not doing it because he moving in right now. It's already been doing like that.
Mm-hmm. It's like, it has a gear on it. Look at that.
I was trying to see if I could hear it, where it's coming from.
It's like a distributor. You know?
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
This yours though, right? You got it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you might as well go ahead and start with you plugs and wires anyway. You know what I'm saying? You did the oil change. Alleviate the little small shit, air filter, little shit. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you get lucky.
Yeah. The hose in the PVC valve.
PCV valve, PVC. Yeah. That's a common thing. Them little things go out though, but it do make a difference for sure. Mm-hmm. And that hose was dry as hell.
Yeah, I understand. Super old ass car saved in the city.
Got a new water pump.
Alright, man, get everything done. Keep dropping.
Yeah, as long as it's running though, you winning. Even if it's leaking something, you know what I'm saying? As long as it's running. Secondly, air. As long as it got air. You know what I'm saying?
It blows slow.
Yeah.
I made sure of that.
Yeah, I believe that. I see the window was up when I pulled up. They ain't got no business being down if they blowing. Oh yeah, you clean. You choose some floor mats you on. You check the trunk for mats? Right? You check the trunk for mats?
Yeah. That's how good you I can put me a clean little system back here.
Oh, okay. You already did all that.
Yeah.
You said you did put a system back here?
No, I'm pissed.
Oh, you got it already? I might got something for you though.
As big as this?
Yeah, like some 12s or something slight. I don't know what
That's
you're trying to do.
all I need. I don't need nothing. I really was, my mindset was some 10s.
Just something cool.
Yeah.
I got you. I got you real today, right now. You feel me? I got something. I just was waiting till I grabbed some and just put it in there.
Mm-hmm.
You got a deck, or you gonna keep that?
I'm gonna get a deck too. I ain't gonna just keep the regular deck.
I got a package for you, no cap.
Yeah. When I get that shit fixed?
No, that's priority for sure. You know what I'm saying? But I got something fit in there perfect. You can still do you gotta have your trunk.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yep. You know my Impala, the black one.
Mm-hmm.
You know the speakers that was in. I got a huge trunk, and I'm taking. I got some bigger speakers that go in. So this box that was in there is just sitting in the garage. Yeah.
Facebook time. So what was that shit called again? I'm gonna go get that shit.
PVC pal.
PVC valve.
hose. In the hose, yeah.
PVC.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get that shit right now. I'll send it to you, man. Thanks for checking it for me. I ain't gonna have you do no
But I'm
nothing.
pretty sure it's like a, like, I don't know if you know, like
What is it called?
Huh?
What you said that was called?
Oh, that's the tank.
Yeah,
Cam
yeah.
Yeah, it's like the, you know how the distributors are on the old Chevys? It's like that, but the distributor doesn't have the cap, but it tells you when to fire.
When the hood closed, can you hear that noise? Because it's real small. I can barely really hear it, though.
Yeah.
You can hear it, and you can hear it in the car, too?
Yeah, a little bit.
Barely?
Yeah.
That's not the same noise, that's it.
I don't know what that is. I got my AC on.
It might be what it was, too, though. That's probably what was the AC.
Is that raining no more?
Yeah, he just turned the air off, right?
Fans.
Yeah, it's still on.
Oh,
One
okay.
of the fans.
One of the fans?
Yeah, because the AC has.
You better watch what you do before you lose that joint.
Fans go off on.
The both of them on?
They're both on there now. Yeah. But it's not as fast as one of them's low.
Even that noise, it ain't consistent. It'll stop for a second and go back, even while it's sitting still. And if you leak a submission, it's been running long enough to where you at least had one drop.
Yeah, that's crazy.
No, but that
I'm gonna get that shit right now.
that will make the oil leak.
I'm gonna get that shit. I'll fuck around and just grab that other thing too. I'm gonna get that shit right now, so I ain't going back cordless.
What I will say, if you, I don't know if he's gonna do the job right now, but if they both in stock, and you can afford to get them both right now, get them, versus leaving one and end up needing it later and they don't have it and have to wait to get in the stock, because you can take it back with the receipt and just get your money back. You know what I mean?
I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna grab both of them.
Put down. Ford Taurus, pull up. Everybody run. This what it was, the all black joint. For real.
That's what the color I want too.
The all black?
I was gonna find me a cheap person, well not a cheap person, but a good price on it.
Yeah.
I was gonna get it wet black.
Yep.
2001.
This one good though, bro. And I'm pretty sure you can find that bumper red.
Yeah.
You can probably find that bumper red. Yeah. You can find that bumper red. Fold right on. Oh. You finna get that one out. You finna be good.
Get the tint right down, but
You know how to do that? You willing to try that yourself?
nah. I mean, I will.
That's what I'm saying. I ain't done it myself either though, but we can try together. For real, you don't think it's that hard? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you couldn't be.
I don't think it's that hard. I done seen enough of it, and I be watching TikTok. They got all type of hacks on there.
Yeah. I've seen a couple of over there.
Yep.
Be straight though, man. Well, this
You
shit,
straight.
This shit ain't that difficult. Need a new antenna. It
That's
came
right.
like that though.
If you listen to the radio, you ain't gonna need that.
I don't listen to the radio.
That's what
But
I'm
I
saying.
can't use no FM transmitter, the transmitter thing.
You finna put a deck in there though.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna need that.
I'm just banging my CDs for now. I put some CDs in the old school way.
Yeah.
Shit.
No, it take a CD player right now, right?
That's why I've been playing.
So you don't need the FM thing then.
Yeah, but I want to play other music on my phone and shit.
Oh, you trying to? Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, you good. You good. I feel the air. Cushion soft, clean. This is a non-smoker too. I don't see no cigarette holes in there.
Yeah.
I don't put them in there,
I'm
man.
gonna make none.
Yeah. No cigarette holes. That's a winner. Yep. No hail damage. Yeah, you good. Man, since I've been down here, been so many hailstorms just in the short time I've been here. I feel like it's ready. Yeah. I hear it now.
That's good.
That's what I was waiting to see if I could hear it, like, outside the car. I might got some wheels for you, too, if you ready. You seen the ones I posted? I got some dubs.
Really?
Yeah, clean.
I wouldn't change it. I think about waist deep every time I see that motherfucker.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel. You think I could pop out of the show with it like that? Do nothing?
I would. The original is better than the, you know what I mean? Souped up and shit and all that. The original.
Yeah.
That shit cool.
Yeah.
That motherfucker.
I've been bringing it out every now and then. I might drive it today. It's nice outside.
Yeah, you doing right. You doing right. Leave this motherfucker park.
Yeah.
Sunday best.
Mm-hmm.
Leave that bitch park. I ain't gonna lie, I probably couldn't stay out there motherfucker if I had it. If I could, I'd leave that bitch park. That'd be like when I'm jumping freshman baby going somewhere.
You on the phone with Autos? Who you on the phone with?
Yeah.
They on the...
I might have to go to Advanced Auto Park or O'Reilly.
They calling around and they don't got... Nobody got it?
I'm gonna just call somebody else, alright?
Hang up on that, he'll be alright. I do it all the time. Hang up on the air.
They want it anyway. They don't want to be on the phone.
They have the CCTV count, but they don't have the hose. They can get it tomorrow, and they don't have the sensor. They can't get it at all.
The sensor?
Oh, yeah. So I narrowed it down. Go and call O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's a hub though. The one right here on they supposed to have every part.
Yeah, this is finna go up there. I'm scared today. Only way I step right here is I needed that tape there. I'm scared them laws out bad, literally.
Today?
I was coming from my auntie house.
I ain't seen them today, but last night I was out and it was everywhere.
On Elms Road, nigga, they had about, on my way back this way, they had about 6 people pulled over, bro. 6 different people. And nah, y'all doing too much. Fuck you, ain't finna get no bonus on me.
I think it's that time, though. They probably try to meet a quarter because they've been miking shit. They've been catching them, though, bro.
No points
crazy.
I better not be the one.
So it's still going on today, then. Because I ain't seen them yet, but I know what time it is. Oh, yeah? What all they needed? They had seen it had a motor and everything on it already. Just ain't nobody did nothing to it yet. That's it.
A boat? You said a boat?
This one.
Oh, yeah.
I went back there and checked it out. I thought they'd been throwing it in the water. Yeah.
Anyway, they got
Let me see. Let me do it before they hang up. Before they answer.
He live over there now?
Oh. I said, let me do it before they answer.
I'm just gonna go.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna put up there, man, and grab that shit. I ain't tripping. I really want to drive around, but I ain't got.
That's why I was saying call at first. Man.
I'll sit on me.
Yeah.
So I can say fuck them all right now. I got insurance. Fuck them things. I'm talking big shit.
You gotta give you no ID or nothing.
I'm getting there.
I've been watching that on the internet. They even got all type of shit. They talking about you don't even need a license and all type of. If you know that shit, you know what to say and all that. You don't need nothing,
you
bro.
don't have to show them nothing,
Bro, I'm talking about they call in all the heavies and everything. They stand on, hey, bro, look, I said what I said. They let them go, drive off. You know what I'm saying? What?
Cause you put me over for nothing, knowing I ain't do shit wrong. I ain't nah.
Bro, I done seen it all.
They
Like,
probably fucking niggas out with that probable cause shit. You know my shit don't smell like weed, so you must smoke, motherfucker. You smell like weed. I stay spraying my shit. I go to the vacuum, the motherfucker. I 2-3 times done. What was I looking up? O'Reilly's?
is that who you was? Oh, you hung up on them. That you starting to call them?
Advanced Auto Park. He said, I want to meet. You see O'Reilly, what was the first? He said, veterans. We called him out for veterans.
That's the shortest drive. But I think they're gonna have them most parts though, because that's the headquarters like for all the O'Reillys out here in this area.
Anyway, that shit. Brand new.
That's a good look though, bro. I'm glad to see you rolling, man. For real. Yeah. That's why when you hit me about a car, I'd already kind of been looking because I was trying to package something else already. I was finna put something out already together. I just ain't really got to do it yet. Yeah. Shit, you can make more money with wheels though. Save money if you was paying for Uber. Save money if you was paying for, you know what I'm saying? All of that. You feel me?
I
Like,
really wouldn't chip my butt to take one way, but I don't sit now. I'm emotional. I can We definitely gonna hit you on them system.
That's what I'm saying. You might be right here. I dare to bring them to you though. A little bit of nothing.
Okay.
If you got some speaker wire, you might as well have them run them. I said, if you get some speaker wire, you can have them run. All right, y'all. We're gonna go get his parts, and I'm gonna actually bust my move. Yeah, I know I got the old music that was in the Impala, and I also got the deck I'm not sure I'm gonna use. So I don't know. I also got the rims that been sitting around. So I mean, if it could do something for him, you know, I think that's a win. You know, if I ain't using it, that'll give me a little wiggle room to do what I want to do. You feel me? Give y'all what y'all deserve. You feel me? My subscribers, the people who rooting for me to win. You know what I'm saying? I can't get sidetracked though. Let's go down here to the laundromat, like I said I was going to. Slide down here real quick, check it out. Oh, I'm over here. Nobody at the laundromat. Once again, keep my show going, man. We on the road.
Today's video is brought to you guys, sponsored you guys by KG Go Hard, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna put it on there right there. You know what I'm saying? Let the thing clear in. Yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe, like, hit the bell. You know what I'm saying? Go hit him on his last video and tell him, you know what I'm saying, Real to Real sent you. You know what I'm saying? And we are here, you know what I'm saying, for big support. But yeah, make sure y'all do that, man. All the links are in the description below to the channel, so make sure you guys go subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? He just getting started. He won Mr. 75 Caprice giveaway, and he started a YouTube channel after doing it. That's why I told you guys you guys can start your YouTube channel after you win these vehicles, because it'll help you grow by saying that you own this person's vehicle, you know what I'm saying? And it'll help you out in the long run. So, yeah, make sure you guys get y'all tickets for Big Boy Ram Truck. And make sure y'all give him a subscribe. His link is in the description. And, yeah, man, let's get back into the video. Peace.
Alright guys, y'all know this video is sponsored to you by my boy Kevin Jones, man, aka Kaji Go Hard. He won the Tahoe, the two-door Tahoe on 30s from Mr. 75 Caprice. So he's out there living, man. He's lit. Excuse me. I'm gonna give y'all his you know, after this you're gonna see the links of his YouTube, his Facebook, and his Instagram. And then in the description is where y'all gonna see the links to just go easily access to go subscribe, like, and follow him on all 3 platforms that he's got going on. His YouTube reminds me a lot of myself. Like, I really like him, guys. So if y'all rock with me, go rock with him. He really showing like how to show love. He's out there, he's putting the camera in people's faces. He's energetic, he's ready to go, he wants it. You know, I think he needs it. You know what I'm saying? I needed it. That's why I act how I act. I need it. You feel me? So I hope the best for him, man. And this video is sponsored to you by Kaiji Go Hard. So go give him a chance, guys. Like I said, he won the giveaway by Mr. 75 Caprice. He came in first place and got the truck. So big shout out to him. And don't leave the video, guys. If y'all at the end of the video, thank you for watching the whole thing. If y'all at the middle, keep watching, guys. I'll see y'all in a bit.
Got it.
Alright, gang, man. This video is brought to you by KG Go Hard. I need y'all to go mess with him, man. His real name is Kevin Jones. He won that car off of 75 Caprice, Mr. 75 Caprice. Please go show him some love, gang. He heavily invested into this. And just the real ones, I just need y'all to go over there and show him, you know, that y'all seen this and that y'all support him. At least go comment 32 gang. Go run his subscribers up, run his following up, run his Facebook up. You know, I'm doing my best for him again. I did a second video in a row for him. So it's because he actually reminds me of myself, guys. He does everything really, really good. He works super hard every single day on YouTube, guys. So if y'all have love for me, I need y'all to go show love to KG Go Hard. The links will be in the description of this video. Y'all can leave right now and go subscribe and follow him. That's how much I want him to succeed, guys. Also, make sure that y'all come back and enjoy the rest of the video. Some crazy shit happened, man, when CJ and my mom seen each other. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And also, if you're at the end of the video, man, thank you for watching the whole video. You were awesome. And, you know, let's just keep going from there, guys. And like I said, please go to the links in my description to subscribe, follow, and add friend on Facebook to my guy, KG Go Hard, aka Kevin Jones. Big shout out to Kevin Jones, man. I see you, bro. I'm doing my best for you. Hopefully people go over there and message you. See you guys in a bit.
Better go hard or go home. 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 Go y'all, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard.